Hello everybody, this is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. If you have installed the tile floor in your bathroom, especially in toilet area, and your toilet flange is lower than your actual floor, then how you can fix it? It can be happen because before you have a floor is a little thinner, then you install the tile, they have a like thin set underneath, then tiles they go higher and flange is installed accordingly. If you see, the flange is glued with the pipe, so there's easy fix. I have two options right now, but there's multiple options. You can do expensive way, but the way I'm going to do is really cheap and really quick. So now let's start. First, let's talk if your flange is not that lower, like it's on level, like it's level surface, but is lower than before, then what you do, you simply buy special wax for toilet. It is extra thick and it will fill your gap, whatever gap you have it, then you don't need to do anything. But just in case, if you go like little deeper, then you have like half inch or quarter inch, then you can pick this piece from Home Depot. It's about like $4.99 this piece. What you have to do, simply you have to clean it, this piece, clean from inside outside, and run some silicone and place this piece on it where the bolts goes, and those holes will be matching each other, and you just screw on top of that one. Then you put your normal backs or extra wide backs and just install your toilet on it. Then it will fix. You don't have to do anything else. Now I'm going to do this way, and then I will put extra wide wax on it. So now first we're gonna clean it out really good. It maybe there is some PVC glue stick to side when it got installed or something, and we're gonna clean this flange too. If you want to put PVC glue, then that's really like you have to clean, but I'm going to put silicone. Then just make sure this piece is fit on it. If it doesn't fit or something, you can have a sandpaper or something, just clean it from inside. Now I have 4 screws over here. I'm going to remove 4 screws. Once we remove 4 screws, I just want to make sure one time all the holes are matching to the older holes. Yeah, now I'm ready. I'm going to use some silicone over here. I will say if you need a more higher, then you can put a couple pieces, like you can put 2 pieces, because the bolts come with this wax, they're pretty high. Now we're gonna put those screws we removed. Then open back wax. When you get to this extra thick wax, you will get longer screws. Now toilet is installed, and I also installed caps on top of the bolts, both sides. Now I will just wait for a couple of days to see if there's any leak. Then after I'm sure there's no leak, then I will put some white silicone. I will caulk all around side. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.